Welcome to this channel, traders. I want to share with you this wonderful script. Some of you probably have got the first version of it, but after a couple of weeks I've been able to add some few more pairs. This is the way to go, traders. This thing, you hardly go wrong if you follow it correctly. You hardly go wrong. I used it today. I took two trades. Let me show you. Let's say today. Okay, so these are the trades I had today: GBP USD and USD CAD. You hardly go wrong because this thing guides you or prevents you from making a lot of mistakes which other traders are making. For example, the first and most important thing, it guides you as to when to enter a trade on each and every of these currency pairs. Okay, if we can check, for example, crude oil here, WTI, it's from the end of Sydney. If you don't have this sessions indicator, you just use the time from 8 a.m. you start looking for trades, because if we can check, okay, I've been checking here from the end of Sydney, which is this grayish box, this pair or this thing, oil, moves in one direction. You see that it moves in one direction. So you are very likely to catch the move if you are going to enter the market or start looking for trades at this time. But if you don't know this kind of secrets, you will find yourself looking for entries just anywhere, and then you end up losing the trades. So for each and every pair, this script is going to guide you. This makes you to avoid unnecessary losses and unplanned trades, because you will know when you jump into the markets. Let's say you open your charts and the time is, let's say, 11 a.m. You know that you are supposed to be only looking for entries on GBP USD, not these other pairs, because by that time they will probably be ranging. On top of that, you know that for every currency pair there is a better way to enter the market. So this thing is going to give you the perfect entry rules for each and every currency pair. For example, if we can check the oil that we opened, okay, where is oil? It will give you the entry rules right here. But if you cannot understand what is here, you also have a small picture to guide you. If it's still not clear, you have a short video right here to tell you exactly what you need to do. If I may press right here, to find an entry on crude oil or WTI, you just wait for the Sydney session to end. Once that session has ended, you just highlight the highest point of that session and you highlight the lowest point within that session. I'm going to put it here because of that week. Once you have done that, wait for price to either close above so that you buy or below so that you sell. Once price is closed above with a full candle or two full candles, you can then take your buy trade. You can put your stop loss either between the two key levels depending on your risk, or below that lower key level. Another thing that I can say, if you take a trade, for example, right here, so that video explains on how you are supposed to take this trade. If you follow it properly, traders, you hardly go wrong. And there's a short video for all these 11 pairs to be traded. Maybe we can just check for WTI, but I did share that video on my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's just straightforward. You mark the highest point on the Sydney session and the lowest point of the Sydney session. If price closes below, you take a sell. So right here you would have sold and won, sold, won. You would have entered the buy trade and won, sell trade, or maybe starting by a buy trade when it closed above there, lost the trade. When it closed below, you would have won the trade. So it's just like that. I've tested it, back tested it a whole lot of times. It just works. Let's come back to our PDF. Right here you have some tips as to where to place your take profits, and if you want to know how to set up the sessions indicator, you come right here there is a link that will give you a short video that will guide you on how to set up the sessions indicator. For those who are trading on mobile, if you scroll to the bottom of the PDF, you are going to see this you're going to see this part that is going to guide you on how to apply this document on your mobile phone. But in short, it gives you the sessions when you are supposed to be looking to place trades. I have also suggested some strategies right here that you can use to enter the trades. These are very good strategies, traders. If you are trading on mobile, I have these videos on YouTube. You can check on them. They are definitely going to help you. Also, this clock, you can find it via the link here. If you download, it shows you, if you are using mobile, as to when to place the trades. This script, traders, is just the way to go. It has specific strategies for all these currency pairs. If you apply it correctly, you will not go wrong. If you're interested in this document, just send a WhatsApp message to this number. Go through the links so that you find out how you can have this script. And for those who have the first script, I think you can claim this second one. Should I give you for free? Okay, let me give you for free. Just come and ask for this one so that you replace the one you have with this one. Okay, but for those who don't have it, just send a WhatsApp message. I'm going to guide you. It's not going to be free. It took me a lot of time to put this thing together. I'll see how much I charge, but it will be a very small amount, traders. It will be a very small amount, and please only access me via my WhatsApp number. I know I have a lot of text messages, but definitely I will sit down by the weekend and reply to all those messages. I've been busy and not checking the WhatsApp, so it might be having a lot of texts by now, but definitely I will go through it and reply to all of you, and I will send this document. I'd suggest that you become the first to get it, because when I get to, let's say, 100 people or maybe 200 people, I will stop sharing the document so that we make some money and then we can share it when we have become millionaires. Okay, so until then, I wish you the best for your trading. Thank you so much for watching.